Hey everybody, welcome back to Framework Films. I am in the middle of nowhere, Utah. This destination specifically is called Swing Arm City. You can probably see this big cool thing right here in the background. I just flew a little FPV over this monument and this is my setup. I am road tripping across from Los Angeles to Denver, and then I'm doubling back and retracing my steps, passing through some pretty severe and crazy destinations, time-lapsing and getting some aerials and FPVing along the way. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy to show you some of the footage, especially from right here at Swing Arm City. I just kind of dove that cliff and like hugged the ridge and stuff like that. And this is my janky yet very professional setup. I have a production table and a chair, and I have my battery bag, my radio, my goggles, my drone, all the fixings you could really need. So let's check out some of that footage, guys.
Hey guys, my name's Jurelle. I met Mike out in Capitol Reef in the backcountry. We're here out at Swing Arm City. My racket pinion is leaking. My CV axles are probably 17 years old. So let's go ahead and send it.
What could possibly go wrong?